Tutorial is the asset that everyone is talking about right now. It's absolutely exploding. This is a meme coin that is currently underpriced, currently priced at roughly $50 million market cap. In the last 7 days, it's up 63%. This meme coin itself holds the reputation for when the first tutorial for BNB chain on how to launch a token happened, okay? Now this is a super interesting meme coin, and the fact that it's exploded basically 63% in the last sort of, last 7 days, did we say? Yeah, the last 7 days, it's super, super bullish. In the last day, yes, it's down, but you can see it's exploded and actually held that price for a very, very long time. When you usually see a parabolic move like that, it usually crashes back down. So the fact that this is holding and sort of consolidating in this area is a very bullish sign. This asset has been around for a while, okay? It's been around basically since February, the start of this year, and it's gradually been creeping up. The chart doesn't look as good here, but you can see what has happened here. Usually when something like this launches here, it dumps down. Naturally it does, and then a floor is found and then it runs up. So this is what we are seeing here now, a nice run up for this asset, which is super, super interesting and breaking all-time highs. So I just wanted to cover that quickly, guys, just quickly on this channel here, because all-time highs for an asset like this is a bullish sign. Okay, so if we're looking at this from sort of a trading perspective and getting involved with it, you could buy now, okay, but I would have probably bought at this sort of area here when we had that pullback. We're probably going to break all-time high again and then probably have a bit more of a pullback, maybe down to the 21 or even the 7 SMA in the future there. But even right now is not a bad buy for an asset at around, say, a $50 million market cap. Definitely a way to be making money right now. If you're looking at other ways of making money, guys, let me talk to you about Snorter. Now, Snorter is a brand new Solana meme trading bot, okay? This thing has literally just launched, and they're launching the own token to go with it. It's currently in a pre-sale, and it's raised basically $1.3 million so far, okay? This isn't just like any other Solana trading bot, like Trojan or Banana Gun. This is actually cheaper fees, faster sniper, more Solana pairs. You can do limit orders with this, honeypot detection, and also copy trading. So basically everything that all these others offer, but in one, okay? And obviously it's cheaper, better, sort of colonizing the market there. So this thing is basically destined to do well here. It's got great branding, great character to go along with it here. And you can see it's been featured in some very, very reputable news sources as well. I do think there is some big KOLs behind this project as well that are supporting this and going to push this on YouTube and X and all that other stuff, okay? So if you guys did want to get involved with that, you can. All the links are in the description. There is multiple ways to make money with this asset. The best thing you can do, buying into this pre-sale here, obviously do your own research, of course, buying into this pre-sale at this price, the more that they raise, this price will actually go up, okay? So it's gradually like that. You get in at a set price, the pre-sale continues, the price of the asset will continuously go up, and you got in at this low level, so the value of your asset will go up with the pre-sale raised amount as well. So you basically can sell this thing at launch and earn literally gains, like loads and loads of money doing that, okay? So it's just a way you can make money through pre-sales. And also, guys, they are offering staking for anyone that gets involved with this pre-sale at this stage as well, 256% on your investment. So not only are you making money from the pre-sale going up in value, you're also making money through staking rewards as well in real time. So yeah, that is basically Snorter. Go check it out. All the links in the description. Now back to tutorial for a second here, because I want to see how this thing is doing. If we look at the daily here, I can see this thing probably doing like a 2x here in the next coming week or so, and that will be basically bringing it up to 0.09, well, 9 cents it will be for another 50% breaking that all-time high. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section, guys. Super intrigued to know your opinion. Thank you ever so much for watching. That is going to be it from me. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.